Hello and welcome everyone. This is your friend Himal Dangal. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add banner ID in your application. So, first of all, friends, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and after that, hit bell icon so that you are connected with me and help me to grow up my channel. So, after subscribing, you can connect with me on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, or you can download my application on Play Store. So let's leave this for now and let's just do our first step to add banner ad in your application. So let's go for this and open our Android project. And this is my application. Just I've created and I'm going to add a banner ad here. So first of all, what I have to do, okay, I'm opening my activity main.xml file. Okay, it is very simple. This hello world is written here, so I'm going to place a banner right here at the top. So first of all, what you have to do, make sure that you are connected to your account. So this is my account. Make sure you are connected to your account, or I mean login with your account in Android Studio. So after login, what you have to do, you have to go to tools and after that go to Firebase. And this is the Firebase right here. I'm clicking it. Okay, after clicking on Firebase, you can see this here. Okay, at the bottom you can see this AdMob option called AdMob. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this and add a banner ad to your application. So go for this, and here you can see we have to at first connect to the Firebase. So we should be connecting it at first. So go for connect to Firebase. It will take a while. Make sure you are connected to the network. So I'm here. So let's wait until it is connected to the Firebase. Okay, let's give a name to our project. This is my project name and I'm going for connect to Firebase. We have to wait a while and have patience until it is successfully connected to the Firebase. Okay, it may take a while. Okay, sometimes this error may occur due to network problems. So again, click on this. Make sure your network is fast enough to connect your application to the Firebase. Okay, for sign. Maybe we have to wait up to 2 minutes or maybe even more than that. Okay, now it is connecting. It will be connected successfully after a while. So okay, you can see this here, our application is connected to the Firebase. And after that, what we have to do, we have to add AdMob to our application. So we're going to click on this, go for accept change. Okay, let's wait until some of the data are downloaded. Okay, it is downloading. Yeah, and this error may occur. Nowadays this error is occurring, and it is not a troublemaker, but it can bring a certain problem to our application. So to overcome this error, what we have to do, we have to implement some of the codes. So first of all, I'll be giving codes. So this is the codes. These are the codes. So I'll be giving this text file to download in the description, so no need to worry about it. So download that text file and copy this one. After copying it, what you have to do, you have to go to the build.gradle file, and you can see this last one. What you have to do, we have to just remove this one and paste with those other two. Yeah, and I can go for try again right at the top. So Okay, sometime you can see this here. Sometimes this error may occur. So to solve it, what you have to do, let's go here and go for Alt Integrate and click on this. Now it is solved, and we have to just go for try again. Gradle per design. Okay, it may take a while, so we should wait until that. Okay, I think it is going to complete now. Yeah, it is completed. So now what you have to do, we have to just copy this line of code here at the top. Just go for copy, Control C, and after that you have to go to your activity where we are going to paste your where we are going to put your ads. So open that activity and just paste it here at the top. Yeah, after pasting it, you should be going to copy this. Just go for copy. Okay, after copying again, you are going to paste it here, and now this error may occur. So we should be adding a banner ad ID, so we are going to copy this one. Just go for copy. Okay, this is for our banner ID, so we are going to copy it now. Yeah, Control C and open your sting.xml file. It is located here, just like this. So go for this, and after that just go for paste it, and now it is solved. And we're going to go for this design one at the bottom. Okay, now you can see this here. Just let's see it. Okay, and we should be just clicking this ad. Yeah, and we're going to paste that ad here. So you can see this at the top. I'm going to paste my ad. So go for text again. Okay, go for enter. Okay, now it is done with this activity main.xml file. So now we should be going to code on our Java file. Just go for open right here, main activity. So we're going to add some codes here. Just go for copy this one and paste it here, and again you have to just copy this one, Control C, and after that paste it here, and just click on this and go for Alt Enter. Yes, it is done, and again just wait for some time and just go for Alt Enter again. Now it is done. So we are done with this, and to load some ads, we should be adding some more codes which are not given here. So so we are just going to close this one for now, and we are going to add some more codes. So what we are going to do, we are just going to copy this one. I'll be giving this codes text file in the description. Just download it and you can put from there. So we should be opening our manifest file right here. This is our manifest file, and again inside the, and if you see this error, then just go for Alt Enter it, and it is done. And just we are going to paste these codes here inside application. So just go for Control V, and after pasting it here, we should be adding some more codes, and we should be adding this one. Just go for copy it, and again go to your build a Gradle file and paste it here. Control V and go for sign now, and it may take a while to complete, so we should wait until that. And don't worry about these codes, I'll be giving this text file in the description, so don't worry. Okay, now it is done, and this is how our ads is going to be shown. Okay, here is that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run. Just go for run. and choose an emulator or your device which is connected here. So I don't have any device connected, so I'm going to choose the emulator. And before running our application, I'm going to explain you a little bit about this one. So this is the Banner ID, and you can get this Banner ID from AdMob account. You have to just go for sign into your account. This is my AdMob account, and you have to just go to choose your application, and after that you can create your banner ad and you can get that ID from there. And I'm not using my real ID because this is just a test ID. So just run with this test ID while checking our ads. If we use our real ID, then it is against of the AdMob policy, so it may result to our termination of our AdMob account. So while checking, we should be always using the test ID. So you can get test ID, just go for here and go for banner test IDs, and you can find in the web. It is very simple, and right here you can find a lot of banner test IDs in this site, developers.google.com. So you can see this here, there are a lot of test IDs. So this is the test IDs which I'm going to use. So make sure that you are not using your actual ID, because it may lead to your termination of account if you click on your live ads. So always use the test ID. So let's say to the run, go for run app and go for choose any emulator or your device, connected device. So go for okay, and you have to wait until your emulator is successfully loaded. Okay, after the application is installed in the emulator, you can see this here, the ad is being loaded. So this is a test ad, so nothing more about the live ad, so it's just a test ad. So now our ad is shown here. So in this way you can add AdMob banner ad in your application. So thank you for watching. I'll make such video. If you like, share and subscribe my channel. So have a nice day. Jai NEPAL.